wife Karen on her birthday.
Cheers, cheers. Happy birthday, Karen. Yes.
Good afternoon, y'all. I am Christopher Fitzpatrick. I am corporate chef and partner of Occasional Occasions Catering.
And I'm Carlton Brown, owner and founding president of Occasional Occasions by Carlton.
As more pleasant weather approaches, what a wonderful time to get outside and enjoy your family and friends over a delicious meal prepared over a grill. You can dress the table with linen, tablecloths, china, uh, glassware, and so forth, or it could be very casual with maybe some little upscale plasticware, whatever it is that your desire is. But it's just a great time to bring family and friends together over a wonderful meal. Your meal could consist of hamburgers and hot dogs and sausages, or some vegetarian options with some veggie burgers and some grilled portobello mushrooms, or maybe even some fried chicken that we have on the table here in this video. Whatever it is that you would like to do, and don't forget to include some very delicious cold beverages, some non alcoholic options, and some desserts, some pies, some s'mores, one of your traditional family recipes in terms of a cake. Whatever it is that you decide to do, it's a great opportunity to get out and just spend time with family and friends.
So remember, Occasional Occasions, entertaining at home, your place, our cuisine, a memorable event.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you, Carlton.
Welcome.
And thank you, Chris.
Well, let's get this party
Thank you.
started.